Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to Audiorista's Quick Start videos. In this video, I'll show you how to upload files to Audiorista. Your file catalogue is found under Titles. A title can be an audio file, a video, a PDF, or an EPUB ebook. The types of files you can upload depend on the plan you're on. To upload a file, just click Add Title and drag your files in. For audio, you can upload MP3, for video, MP4, and for text, PDFs and EPUB. Once your files are uploaded, they will get transcoded. In the meantime, you can edit the title information. The key details to fill in are name, description, and creator. This could be the author, host, or whoever is behind the content. And don't forget to upload your artwork. For more details on other fields, you can always check out the Help Center. We support different types of artwork. The most important are square artwork for audio files like music, audiobooks and podcasts, tall artwork for books and magazines, and banners, which are typically used for videos. But feel free to choose what works best for your content. You're not restricted to one format. Once you've finished editing, you can preview how the artwork will be used in the app on the right-hand side, and then click Save at the bottom right of the screen. And that's it, you're done. Feel free to start uploading your files to Audiorista, and if you need more info, please visit the Help Center.